Today I'm making a video of my third fan. Again, this is my third fan. Amazing fan, amazing customer service. Let me show you. This is the box. The box came with everything, including detailed instructions on how to install. Very easy to install. I've already installed it. Here I had to adapt with the wiring for a 48-inch down rod, because that's what I had previously, and that's what I need for the height of the ceiling. But again, the fan is beautiful, it works beautifully. This is the remote that comes with it. And now let me show you guys how this works. So I just turned it on. I can switch from the warm to the different whites. Well, it's not very perceptible with the daylight. I can turn it off, turn it on. I can turn on the fan, which right now is working in reverse because it's winter. It's got 6 different speeds and timer for 2 hours or 4 hours. If I switch or if I click the reverse, the fan comes to a full stop. And once it stops, it turns itself on to the reverse position. There you go. And then you can play with the 6 different speeds. I can turn it off if I want to. Another feature that I really love is the dimmer on the light. I can dim the light as I want to, or turn off and on the light again. It's got the general switch on and off, and that's it. Again, amazing fan, outstanding customer service. I would highly recommend buying the fans from Sofacore seller. And that's it. Thank you.